The little girl that could.
The little girl that could. Awesome.
What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Team Kettle. What? Ooh, it is that time of the year.
Summertime.
Oh, I thought it was Christmas.
No, not Christmas. It's summer.
Summertime, and summertime means that people love to
barbecue.
He loves to barbecue, but this is very different. Maybe you don't have 20, 30 people. You just want to go with your bestie, and you want to go to the park and just have a barbecue.
You have an apartment. You don't live in a house. You don't have a place to barbecue, and you only have a certain amount of storage or place where you want to do that. And we have the solution for you.
A Jim Beam 5-piece grill set.
Wow!
I got it this time. Now, who is Jim Beam, you know?
Jim Beam is one of the most successful liquor companies in the world.
Whoa!
They actually specialize in rum.
Bourbon, I think.
Bourbon, that's exactly what I meant. But today we're not talking about bourbon. Today we're talking about this amazing little grill, this 5-piece set that we're gonna go ahead and unbox and show you what the box has inside. Are you ready?
Yes, so I'm ready.
Let's unbox.
All right, very simple.
Latch. Wow, okay. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Yo!
It looks like a book bag.
It's nice.
Well,
Wait, yeah, but it has a.
It looks like a purse.
It has an adjuster.
It looks like a purse.
Oh!
It had adjustable straps.
An adjustable strap. Try it again.
Let me see.
Oh yeah.
All right, I can go to the game with this. Oh, I can go to the game. Oh, there's no game.
There are no games right now, but there are plenty of parks that are open. All right. You can't grill with this indoors though.
You can't?
You can't. We're gonna do a review on it. You can't grill indoors because it actually uses charcoal.
Ah, yes. All right, so first of all, we have the bag.
Yes.
Which it's a carrying case.
It's a carrying case, and it's also a cooler.
No way! I promise you, I did not know that. Oh, look at the cooler thing.
Yeah, it's a cooler. Here are the grilling racks. I guess you can call them grilling racks.
This, I guess, is for the top of the grill.
Yeah. And here we have the grill, or the holder of this stuff. It's like a pan, like some type of pan.
Yeah, it's like a little aluminum pan.
Yeah.
And that's it.
Wait. There's more.
There's another zipper.
There's another zipper at the bottom.
Let's see what we have here.
The zipper on the bottom has the other pieces for grilling, which are the grill spatula. It has tongs and
it has a what? Say that again.
Tongs.
Tongs.
Not
and then the fork.
And then like a little fork around. So let's check it out. I mean, first of all, the quality of it, pretty good, pretty durable.
Really nice. I like it. Jimmy Beam. Oh, Jim Beam. Jim Beam.
So I like this little thing because it's multi-use. It has the scraper. Ta-da! Multiple scrapers, but it also has a bottle opener.
Oh, that's cool. And this one has little holes. I think it's for spaghetti or something?
Well, no, I don't think so. I think most of the time, if you have like a fork or something, you can do that. Pretty good.
Well, this is pretty cool though. All right, let's talk a little bit about the cooler, because that is actually the best part.
So the top of this has the second zipper, as you can see here.
Oh, it goes all the way around.
Yep, it goes all the way around. This is where you then push all the stuff inside. You put the ice in here and you put your drinks and you set to go.
So it turns into like a little hat, essentially, right? You can also use it to cover you from the sun.
Yes, if it rains or something.
So this thing will fit inside when you're done with it, right? But if you still have your cooling stuff in there, you can still have your nice beverages when you're finished. Wow, this is really nice. Look at that.
Yep. And these little pieces basically go in here. You put the charcoal at the bottom.
So I guess you put this one
inside in the bottom piece.
Like this.
So you can actually grill multiple items, but remember, if you put anything in the bottom piece, which will probably go when we do the review, check it out. If you put anything in the bottom piece, that's gonna cook a lot faster. This is for the top piece. Now, one of the things that this usually is good for, so let's say you are using the top piece and you're gonna remove it because you got something at the bottom, you can lift it and then access the bottom rack.
So you can cook in both bottom and the top.
Yes, you can.
Now, I noticed something here very unusual. I don't see any instruction manuals in this. How do I know?
They knew it was coming to us, you know. They knew it was coming to us.
That's right. We don't need instruction manuals. But in case if you do, this is why you got this video to show.
Yes.
So basically, it looks like that, and then the two additional parts. Look at the little feet, right?
Yep. And now you can stand it up.
Maybe we have it backwards.
No.
So the one thing you need to know without the instruction manuals that we did not need is you have to make sure that the feet are the proper way. So
yes.
we made a mistake and we put them backwards, but now we have them the right way. And the little grill,
the little grill that could.
The little grill that could. Awesome. Yes.
Listen, I think this is awesome.
This way or this way?
No, either way. Yeah. Once again, there's no instructions, so I think it's either way you put it. It's just both the same way. I know the bottom piece is a lot easier to, you can tell. Okay.
But what about, then we have one more. This is for, is this for grabbing or what is this little piece for?
Well, that's very interesting because to be honest, I don't know if it has anything to do with this. Can we get the box? Let's take a look at the box. Oh, yeah! This goes here so that you can lift this. Oh, thank you, Jimmy Bean, for having your picture there and no instruction manuals.
All right,
so
and
Jimmy Bean needs
there is
instructions.
one more thing that I think we're missing.
Which is the big handle.
The handle. It's right here, it's hanging on the table, of course we missed it, and that allows you to move your grill from place to place. Wow.
It's raining, let's go, let's
go, get the stuff.
It comes down to price.
So how much is this little grill? The little grill that could?
Well, hold on, you go down there and leave a comment. Let us know how much you think this grill is. We'll wait. Okay, thank you for leaving a comment. We'll check to see if you were right. This little grill only costs $30. $30! $30 for the 5 pieces. So the 5 pieces are the tongs, the spatula, the forky thingy, the grill, and the cooler or slash holder.
I think this is a great little piece of equipment. If you don't have to have anything big. This is good for like 1 to 2 people.
Yes.
You know, if they want to do a little grilling on the side, but we're gonna put a video later on and we'll show you this little guy at work. But right now, your thoughts?
My thoughts is this is a Team Kilowatt thumbs up.
So far, so good, Jim Bean. You did great. I really like the cooler part because I can actually use this on other things and I can store this somewhere else, but you can save it here. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel.
Don't forget to hit the notification bell button so you don't miss any of these awesome videos.
So if you want to see the next video where we actually put this guy to the test, click the video right over here and you will see this little bad boy in action. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you on the next one.
Team Kilowatt!
So now you know, we'll see you on the next one. See you.
Okay, Shrum. Shishi.